Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, 2024, and we are growing up with QQQ. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, H pattern, wide state, H pattern with slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains. We're going to see how this price reacts to the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart, which is roughly around the 511.50 area. If we can't get enough speed and violence to jump above the 21 here soon, we'll just pull profits at that point, make it a quick trade.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.25 move in 3 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, 2024, and we're going back up with QQQ. H pattern, close enough moving average bounce. H pattern, slingshot. H pattern, lightning to the upside. H pattern, 555 wide state. H pattern, slingshot. Let me point something out to you. As you can see, we have lower highs. Let me turn this down. We have higher lows. Turn this down. And I will show you. So we're going to measure it. All right. Turn this down. And let me show you where I expect it to go to. So roughly around the 511.75, 512 area. If we get up that high, we'll push past our dollar move, but if we can't breach the 512-ish area, we'll pull profits if we get close enough. That's where I expect the target to be. Somewhere within that range of 511.75, 512-ish. So if it gets up that high and stalls out, we'll just pull profits. But based on what I'm seeing, just quick geometry, that's where I expect it to go here in a bit.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains, and I want to stick around to see how this price reacts to the 511.75, 512-ish area. And we're going to pull our profits right.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.30 run, ladies and gentlemen. So our first trade, we took $1.25. This one was $1.30. We're up $2.55 on 2 trades today. As always, never forget, be a pro.